In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell consoles on eBay, one of the most popular marketplaces for buying and selling electronics. Whether you're looking to declutter or make some extra cash, selling your console on eBay can be a simple and rewarding process. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to ensure that your listing is successful and reaches the right buyers. First, head over to eBay's website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ebay.com. Once you've reached the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Sell button. Click on it to get started with your selling journey. This will direct you to eBay's selling platform, where you can manage all your listings and sales. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Listing button. This is where you'll begin setting up your console listing. eBay provides a straightforward interface to guide you through this process. You'll be prompted to start your listing with the specific information about the item you're selling, in this case, your console. Enter relevant details such as the brand, model, and any other identifying features that will help potential buyers find your listing easily. After entering the basic information, click on the Search button. This will help you find similar listings that have been completed, giving you a sense of what other sellers have done and what buyers are looking for. It's a great way to gather insight into pricing and how to present your item effectively. Once you have the search results, your goal is to find a match that closely resembles your console. Look for listings that are similar in terms of model, condition, and included accessories. When you find a match, click on Continue. This step will guide you to a more detailed listing page where you can further customize your offer. Now, you need to select the condition of your console. Be honest and accurate in this section. Whether it's brand new, like new, or used, providing accurate information will help you build trust with potential buyers. Once you've selected the condition, click Continue to move forward. It's time to complete your listing. Here, you'll be able to add photos, a detailed description, and set your asking price. High-quality photos can significantly impact your listing's appeal, so make sure to capture your console from multiple angles. Your description should be clear and concise, highlighting key features and any imperfections. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and are satisfied with your listing, click List It. This will post your console on eBay, making it visible to millions of potential buyers. Congratulations, your console is now live on eBay. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your selling experience. Make sure to set competitive pricing by considering similar listings and current market trends. Offering free shipping can also attract more buyers, so factor that into your pricing strategy. Lastly, stay responsive to any inquiries from potential buyers to increase the chances of a successful sale. And there you have it. You've successfully created a listing to sell your console on eBay. With these steps, you're well on your way to reaching a wide audience and making the sale. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.